All right, let's dive into this. I'm so stoked, you guys. I just got this new remote control stunt car. Look at this box. It says Drift Stunt CAR. I can't wait to tear into it and see what this baby can do. Check it out, black with green accents. Looks pretty sweet. And gloves too. This is going to be epic. A boy is holding a black and green remote control car with large wheels. He is examining the car and possibly preparing to play with it. Okay, time for the maiden voyage. Whoa, check out these lights. This thing is seriously cool. Marble floors are perfect for drifting, right? I'm trying not to crash into the furniture, but this thing is fast. Look at it go. Blue light's now fancy. Wait, what's this? A new challenger has appeared. Oh my gosh, it's a puppy. A husky puppy. And look at those blue eyes. This was definitely not on the remote control car's feature list. Seriously, how cute is this little guy? He's so fluffy. We're already obsessed. Look at him getting all the pets, even getting some rooftop cuddles. Who needs a stunt car when you've got this much cuteness? Okay, maybe I can share the spotlight. The car and the puppy. Though he seems more interested in this plastic container right now. Silly pup. But seriously, look at those puppy dog eyes. I think we're going to be best buds. This is way better than any remote control car, hands down.